Voice of the People Party VPP lengbau President Jongka ba Arden Mila Boseomoi MLA ka nongkrem uloong ba ka jingmi ka huri hura hatura hakar sauterik naitung arjar pulai ka bathumu ban thom na ka borio mutirang ba ka jalao konrat ke sangma ka dei namar ka jingphil tre kam katnat pulen uloong ba ki bor pulet kila dei ban te lakam ha balayo I ek ba ki pai ba ki alum ha ka tiga chaka ha ka wei pat kaliang lakantai banong e halo ka jingpen pau ba ki sha kem ki dei na ka sengsan hima kum ka TMC bat BJP bat ong ba ki dei ki pai ba ki bai ki Daka penrem ya ka jingja uloong ba ki nongeki nakabenta ka no kamat yakren kimdei banwan ra ki kam ki bala ban lam shaka ya umsnam.
First of all, let me tell you that it is very unfortunate that such incident happened, and especially against the Chief Minister of the state. It should not have happened in the first instance. And no matter how agitated you are, but I don't think it is right on the part of the agitators or the protesters to resort to such an extreme steps where it may cause harm to the Chief Minister. Without any doubt, I can say that there was a lapses on the part of the police department. They must have gathered information that the mob, are preparing to attack the Chief Minister, especially after having heard the statement given by the DGP that it was a pre-planned, they have organized all these kind of things to resort to such a step. So obviously it was a lapse on the parts. They should have prevented, they should have reinforced the police personnel not to allow the mob, to get that opportunity to create such incidents. As far as that issue is concerned, it is the duty of the police, to investigate, to ascertain the causes of the attack. But looking from the media, I don't think it is right on our part to appreciate such incident. We have to condemn outrightly that we should not encourage our youths or people, to resort to violence. I don't know. I fail to understand what is all about, because what we feel that if the people protest, they protest as public, When we raise the issue, though we raise as a political party, but the people who participated in the protest or in the agitation, they are not coming, in the name of the party organization. So I don't know in what way that the police department drawn to a conclusion that these agitators belongs to certain political parties. I don't have anything to say on that.
Take the first step towards a healthier future by scheduling your consultation at the Shillong Heart Clinic located at Nongrim Hills, Shillong. Call or leave a message at 98630-50899 to book your appointment with Dr. Sunrang Bhattian Wadri, an interventional cardiologist. The clinic operates from Monday to Saturday with working hours from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m.